Hey there, Profitify fam, who wouldn't love to make money while doing something they enjoy, like gaming? Today I've got some awesome tips for you on how to turn your gaming skills into cash. Stick around because this could be your ticket to earning money daily, just by playing games. Alright, let's jump right in. First off, you need to explore the world of online gaming platforms that actually pay you real money. Yes, you heard that right. There are websites and apps out there where you can play games and earn cash rewards. Platforms like Misplay, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars offer a variety of games, from puzzles to action-packed adventures, that let you accumulate points or cash directly. The more you play, the more you earn. Some games even have competitions or tournaments where you can compete against other players for real cash prizes. It's like turning your hobby into a paycheck. Now on to step 2, monetizing your gaming skills through live streaming. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming allow you to showcase your gaming talents to a global audience. Build your own community, engage with viewers, and earn money through donations, sponsorships, and ads. With dedication and a unique gaming style, you could become the next gaming influencer. Lastly, let's talk about leveraging your gaming expertise for freelance opportunities. Believe it or not, game companies are often looking for skilled gamers to test their games and provide feedback. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer.com feature gaming-related gigs where you can get paid to play and review games. It's a win-win. You play, you earn, and you help shape the future of gaming. Remember, turning gaming into a source of income requires dedication and persistence. Treat it like a job and you'll see the rewards roll in. So, there you have it, folks. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there are plenty of ways to earn money daily by playing games. Explore, stream, and seize those freelance opportunities. Thanks for tuning in to Profitify. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money doing what you love. Until next time, keep gaming and keep profiting.